What's up with the Liberty Bell? This bell was built in 1680. It came from a city right outside of Guadalajara, Mexico. So my dad was over there, him and my mom were staying in a hotel over there. And he got out and walking, and there was an old church building that was there. And out in the field behind the church building, this bell was just all covered up in there. So he went and talked to the owner, and he said, I want to buy the bell. They sold him the bell for $200. This is a part of Mexican history. And he has a whole story about how the bell was hung up in a church, and one of whoever was conquering that area at that moment came by and burnt the whole village down, burnt the church down, and when the bell fell, the bell cracked. So they never hung the bell up again. Now this bell, my dad has had this bell at his house probably for more than 35 years. Damn. And he's getting up in age, and he said, I want you to have the bell before I die. So I got the bell, but it has been in the weather for all that time. And then it's been on the ground since the 1600s. Or I'm sorry, it was in the very first part of the 1700s that the church was burned down. And that's how it looks. I mean, it's got copper in it because you can see the greenish tin in there. So I don't know what all metal's in it, but it's, I've never tried to polish it or anything to see what it did. I mean, it's not the perfect. You can see where it was soldered together or brazed together right here. That's the story on the bell.